Today I'm going to be opening two things. I'm opening up this cute little love pet. It's a dog. It comes with 2 items. And I'm going to be opening up a Harry's Pet Kinder Surprise. So I'm just going to put your lights on. Okay. So, here's a better view. So this is Pet. And this is the cute little puppy dog we're opening. So, I need to go grab the scissors. So, yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so I just need to grab the scissors and now let's just open up our contract. So, now we're gonna be opening up a few. There's only 3. And it has limited edition on here, if you didn't see that. Limited edition. It says limited edition. I was on the French side, sorry. Limited edition. So, there might be, I don't know if there's limited editions in here, but I don't know why it says that. Anyway, it's just, how do you open these things? Okay, sorry, my mom just had to ask me if we got the Walmart. Okay, so let's open up this one Kinder. There's 3 in there. Whoa. Okay, these explode, so. Okay, thanks. It's good chocolate, but it's kind of stale, but whatever. Sorry if I make you hungry. Because sometimes I do food videos. Okay. Who is this? I don't even know who this girl is, but she's so cute. So, that's a small mirror. I think it's Cinderella's cat. Don't tell me. Okay. There are limited editions in here. Oh, it is Cinderella's pet. So we got Cinderella's pet. So I don't know what her name is, but so this is Cinderella's pet. She's so cute, and she comes with this mirror. So it like stands up with the mirror, like the mirror facing it, and like it's standing. There, I'll show you. Look, that's what it's supposed. You can't even see it. Okay, I don't know how you can't see that. It just sits like that and stands like that. Ugh. Okay, so yeah. It just stands like that. So we got that. So just do that. Okay. Says our one Peter. So I don't want to do that whole thing again. So let's just move on to the puppy. So here's our puppy. It's really small. But it comes with 2 items. It comes with a dog bowl and a little rope toy. And its name's Heartbeat. It says on the package on the back. You can read about what? Okay, on the side it says Heartbeat. Its name is Heartbeat. Ow! Oh, jeez. So we're just gonna cut things like here, and then we'll just free up the puppy. Come on, puppy. I don't want to cut you. Come on, cut. So we'll just cut all around the pup. Don't want to get a cut. Maybe a bit more. Let's cut that one. See, it's hard to cut through this stuff. Please be very careful from me. Can't get it to. Come on. Okay, we're gonna have technical difficulties, so I'm gonna pause the video. My mom's getting it out. She's even having technical difficulties. She's struggling really bad. Oh, she got that one. So this is Little Life Pet instructions, but I don't really need this because I already know what to do. But for Little Life Pet, I record your voice and say it back. Display your pets in the basket. That blue thing's the basket. And the puppy, and it also says on the package that you can't really see it now because my mom just cut through it. But it says, "I come alive when you pet me." So yeah, that sounds interesting. So while we're just waiting, let's just open up another Palace Pet Kinder Egg. Don't mind the noise. Don't knock this is a difficult. Okay, so that I didn't explode. So that one's maybe at home. But I wonder if there's no limitations in it, right? I don't know if there's any. Oh no. Oh no. We got her again. But that's okay, we can have triplets. Let's hope we don't get her in the next one. Okay. Let's hope we get a new one. Is it supposed to be new ones in all times? Oh, I like this chocolate, kind of. What's that? What? Do you know what this stuff is?
Open it.
Door? Yeah, use my teeth. Yay, we got a new one. So we got Cinderella. We had Cinderella's pet and we got Cinderella. That's kind of different. But how are we supposed to put her together? Okay, she's not wearing her dress. She's just wearing some skirts and leggings. Okay. What'd you do? Oh, okay. It takes batteries.
I don't know. This is just to screw the bed in.
Okay, so my mom got her open. Here's Cinderella. So I just moved the chocolate back. Oh, okay. Oh, she's not wearing her dress because I didn't attach her dress. So we just can easily just go attach it. So she technically is wearing her dress. I just didn't connect it. So there's Cinderella in her pretty dress. We have her pet and we have Cinderella. She has two dogs. Okay, so let's move those aside because now our big puppy dog is coming in. So it says, you pet me, I come alive. It's not coming alive. No, it's not on. Open it. Take that. It won't take it. So that's cute. So this is its bed. It has a little. It has a basket, and that's its bed, that little yellow thing. And you can carry it around in there. So it just sits in there. Just 1 second. So I know you didn't hear this, but like when I was over there checking the door, he was like, rah, 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 rah. But it records of what you say, so let's try. Hi. So we have our little dog right here. And this is its dog bowl. It says BFF. And there's its food. And then its little rope toy. And there's room for another pet on here. But you just carry it around in this thing. So you can take it on trips or something. Yeah, but I got this too from Walmart. But I think you have to go to a special Walmart to get this one, because like this is a brand new one out. So I don't know if it's just in Canada or in the US, because I live in Canada. But so the dude's so cute. You guys say something. Did you guys say that? Well, anyway, he's so cute. He's a little cute little pup. I'll do another video of me playing with them, and I hope you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more cute little life pets.